Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own glitter polygel, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some glitters that I bought from a small business called the Glitter Pot Girls. Let's get started. As always, we're going to be starting off with bare nails, and we're going to be pushing back the cuticles. After that, we will be buffing the surface of the natural nails to remove the shine. Then I will be applying a layer of base coat on all of the nails. Afterwards, we're gonna start picking the right size tips for each nail. And for this look I wanted really long nails, so I didn't really have any other long tips apart from my full cover tips, so I just cut them with a tip cutter to fit them for each nail. After picking out all of the nail tips, we're gonna grab our favorite nail glue and glue on the tips. After gluing on the tips, we will remove the shine with a buffing block. Then it's time to add a layer of base coat to all of the nails. So for today's look, I wanted to go with a nude polygel color to create sort of like a glittery French look. So after grabbing a bead of the nude polygel, I placed it on my nail and then I started moving the polygel around to create the desired shape. As you will see, I decided to go with different designs on each nail. The only ones that will be matching is the pinky with the thumb, as they have the same kind of like stiletto French design. And for the ring finger and the pointer finger, I wanted to make sort of like a reversed line. So yeah, I thought that it would look cute. And for the middle finger, I just covered the entire tip with the nude polygel, and I did a very nice ombre with a glitter that you will see later on. The good thing about this type of look is that you won't have to worry about the lines being completely straight, because later on I'm gonna be filing the lines to make them completely straight, and it's very forgiving as a design, so it's super easy to do. So after curing all of the nails, you're gonna need to wipe off the tacky layer of the polygel with some rubbing alcohol. After removing the tacky layer, it's a great time to start filing the nails. Now you don't need to remove any of the bulk of the nail, just make the lines of the French type designs that we created more sharp. Before we move into creating the glitter polygel, I wanted to show you the glitters that I got from this business. First of all, I need to say that they're super sweet and they're very nice. They ship from the UK and their glitters are amazing quality. I was really happily surprised to see that they are very fine. And when it comes to nail art, you want the glitters that you're going to be using with different products to be fine and easy to apply. Because, for example, acrylic won't easily mix with chunkier glitters. So this makes for very, very smooth nails that are easy to file and they don't lose their shine. As you can see, I splurged a little bit and I bought many different glitters. I'm just so happy with all of them and they look so pretty, and I'm definitely going to be using them for more designs in the future, so let me know if you have any ideas for that. I also got 3 foil sheets, and that was all. So for today's look, I decided to start with this purple color, and with my clear polygel, I'm going to be placing a good bead onto my working area, and on that, I'm going to be putting the glitter. After that, I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher tool and I'm going to start mixing the glitter into the polygel. Now as you mix it in, it's going to get less sticky, and the key here is to then take a wet brush with the rubbing solution and start mixing the polygel with the glitter like that. After that, it's just ready to use and apply. It's going to be far less sticky than traditional polygel, but the good thing is that it's still going to cure, it's still going to stay in place, and it's going to be very easy to file. So the reason why I mentioned the quality and how thick the glitter is because the finer the glitter, the easier it will be for you to incorporate it into the polygel. And you don't want to add very chunky glitters or mylar flakes because it will compromise the quality of the polygel and it won't make it as easy to cure and stay in place. So since the pinky and the thumb have the same type of French design done with the polygel, I will be adding the exact same colored glitter onto the thumb as well as the pinky. And for the middle finger, I decided to do a nice ombre to show you how you can get it done as well. It's super easy to do with this type of glitter polygel because it's very easy to move around, it's not sticky, and you can just put it exactly where you want it on the nail. So for the remaining nails, I took another bead of clear polygel, the pink glitter from the Glitter Pot Girls, and I started mixing it in. And after it was done, I started applying it onto the remaining nails. And I actually noticed that in person this is a lot more pink, but on the nails and on camera it looks pretty clear, almost like a white. Maybe it's because of the background that I have, but in person it's super pink and it's super cute. It's looking really, really nice. So after all of the nails have been cured, it's time to start filing. And you don't want to file too hard because the glitter has made the polygel a little softer, so you have to be a little careful so you don't take a chunk of it away. If it's fully cured, it will be completely fine to file, but you still need to be careful because we have compromised with the original quality of the product, so there will be differences when it comes to handling it with a file. So after filing all of the nails, it's time to add a non-wipe top coat to seal in the designs. Now you could definitely stop here, but I decided to add some nail art on it, and I really thought that what would go best would be a purple and pink ombre. So I chose my favorite pink and my favorite purples, and I started creating a nice ombre to intensify the line between the nude polygel and the glitter polygel we just made. As you can see, I repeated the exact same process and made the ombre lines on all of the nails that had a combination of the nude and the glittery polygel in this sort of French manicure. Then I took some white acrylic paint and I drew a thin line right next to the ombre lines we just made on all of the nails. So for the middle finger, I wanted to do something different, and I was trying to come up with something, and I was trying to think of something that would just highlight the shine of this glitter, which is so beautiful. And the first thing that came to my mind were diamonds, and some of the glitters that these girls sell are called diamond dust because they're so fine. So I thought it would only be appropriate to draw a diamond on the middle finger, and it's looking super cute. And then I decided to add some ombre in the middle as well with the colors that I used on the other fingers to make it matching. So after curing that, we're going to be applying a top coat on all of the nails to make the designs last. And of course we can't forget the much needed cuticle oil at the end of our manicure. And here they are! I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found making your own glitter polygel super easy. I will be leaving links to the glitters and to the website of the Glitter Pot Girls in the description below the video. Please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content every Tuesday. Leave a comment telling me what you thought, and I will be seeing you guys in exactly a week. Have a great week!